Praise the Lord to everyone. May God bless you.
Mulana kaong may man ha.
Today, if we thinking everything is over in our life, now there will be nothing good going to be happen.
Tini tu mana tay nang saji yana saji hangi no yilang oklak yemeng oklak saji yana sobu sa tu mana lanbu sa tay bu hipa.
But I want to tell you,
Yang boy tawa naman de ihuba.
our God is victorious God.
Tuman kawang okpu kawang wana.
From where we think everything is finished, from there He begins.
Ambu ganting ma tuman saji tuman ayan saya kemdagi so dagi sa ibu nyui jeng ma wang na.
My dear brother and sister,
Tahu kan punya nau cenau lan.
when Moses seen his people in the trouble in the Egypt,
Over Moses katalan saushibu hado Egypt kadong may katalan saushibu hado Mosa niya ba
he killed one Egyptian
hado Mosa Egyptian kata jatuh yang ki
in front of Israelites.
Israel katalan song sisaw ma hado Egypt kata tu yang ki
From there he need to run away in fear.
yang boy hado nyu jeng ma pada talang ngai
Why?
yang bukaya
Why?
hang ne
Because in those days he was young.
hado hipang ma yong tangsem hipang ne yong wan bu hipang ne meng bu jeng ne hado ki we
He is going to be next Pharaoh.
Ia nguiglak hipang ma Pharaoh ang pacan meng lak jeng na hado ngo yang ki
He killed one Egyptian
Egyptian kata jauh tu yang ki
and he need to run away.
yang boy hado nyui jeng boy pata tailak na
But when he went into the wilderness,
yang boy boy hado wan mung jeng de taya bai
he tending sheep.
hado ni lam pau pan meng yang
The same Moses,
hado sem hado jaki bo hado mosa jamu
when God showed himself in the burning bush,
ba hado kawang mu nu hado mosa da hado wante hau yang ki
he says,
ingi yang ki
Lord, I am good for nothing.
kawang de iba kawang tawa nang sisam tawa mai bu lam chan wi nang jase
God says, go.
yang we kawang mosa nang tai do si yang ki
I will do through you.
tawa nang dang ma taw tu yong lang lak nang dang ma tu ma lang lak sa do kawang ngaw yang
He's saying,
yang ki
God, I can't.
yang we kawang ado mosa iba kawang taw leng yu oklak yang si
Where his strength finishes,
am bukan ting ma wong kum ya bai
the God begins.
hado kan ting ma kawang pe ngawlak jeng na kong wang yang ki
When Joseph was in the pit, it was not the end.
but Joseph hado to hanya ba hado jama ngoy ya bai hado waktu yai bu hado hipang ma ayana kamun meng bu achi ngoy
His own brother betrayed him.
lan pe jam se bu lan da lo tam yang ki
Even though he gone under the slavery,
even hado Joseph ma bu katalan pang ma ro pa chan raja no meng ngo yang ki
but my dear brother and sister,
yang boy tau kan menyana
God is faithful.
kawang yong faithful na meng nang yong kaksu bu kawang chan meng ngo
He's keep watching.
ipak fi ma lay ngo nang yelak pa lay nang
He's keep watching.
yelak pa tu man lay nang
But he's building you step by step.
yang boy hadaw ki step ja phe ma cha step ja phe ma cha ya kai ja phe ma cha sa build na meng nang tu man ayan ya fan
Circumstances of our life is not coming in our life to destroy us.
tuman da social tang bua hadawa tuman ayan meng walak jing na pai bu social tang bu ye
But to show his glory, who he is.
yang boy mai bu yang hi si hadaw mun sing ya jing na hadaw sing na tam nak jing na tuman ayan da hadaw social tang bu pa bu ngona
How much deepest pain comes in our life.
hang sana tuman ayan da tak bu bai hang sana tuman da social bu bai
That much is going to be a good testimony for our life.
tau sana tuman da kawang isa ki bu hadaw testimony amai tuman da painang
Joseph's life in those days were going very good when he was in the house of Potiphar.
hadaw hipang ma Joseph hadaw Potiphar nok ma hadaw ngoyang ki
Because everything under his control.
ma bu kong kamba yak phang ma he tui lung bu i control na meng yang ada potifa nok ma i bui ba cha na ngo yang ki
Everything sometimes goes very well in our life.
hi pa ka to man da yong ma ya hada yan yong smooth da tai na
Sudden trouble comes.
yang boy mox hada trouble to man yan pa na so shi pa na
But I want to tell you,
yang boy taw na man di ba
God always have plan for our life.
ka ong to man jeng na hi pak fe ma i plan to myang wanang i tai da ngonang
Because God wanted to bring us in the more glory of God.
hang jeng ne si bun me ka wangai anyo yelak pa i si so da ya pa yu bu jeng na hada tum
Have purposes in our life.
tau ka tau na man di ba to man da tak cha pa bu to man da purpose i ka wang i to man da purpose cha pa bu ngonang
In that we need to be faithful.
yang boy ha tau hi pak ma yang nang da pa bu tak ma nang khak su wa yan na ka wang ba ching hai cha pu yan cha na nang yan ya la kyang
We need to prayerful.
ha tau hi pang ma to man na yo ba kham bu yong vong nang la kyang
Because next door is going to open for your life.
hang jin ne si bu na meng ma ngui la tau kai tau lin yang pai ma takap ala ba nang ep ok la
We should not sit always with the former means past things.
hi pak fe man nang lin yang bu ha tau ya phai ma mu nang au bu ying ok la kyang
Why this happened? Why that happened?
hang na ada ha tau ki bu pai bu si hang na ada ha tau so si bu pai bu si hang ne sa tu man hi pak fe ma nang na tu man ha tau ki yong yui da ha tau ki yong question ha tau yong bu da na me bu ha tau ying ok la kyang
If Joseph might be crying, my brother left me, they deceived me, they betrayed me.
au sum bu ha tau Joseph i ha tau ki sapa achela na ada lo tau yang ki achela na ada deceive na me yang ki ada ha tau ki ngo yang ki sa i ha tau tai tau ngo bu na me yang ma
Whole life he might be crying.
i yan chin kam i ya sa ngo ha si bu
But
yang boy
he was faithful to God.
ia kawang si sa mo ia yong hana nyai bu khak su bu ba na ha tau Joseph ia chaka i da pai bu ya tu so sai me i nan bu pai i kem yang ki
Wherever he went,
an bu nyui ching da i ta ya boy
God showed his grace.
an bu nyui chang mai i ngoi ya boy an bu nyui chang mai i ha tau ki ta ya boy i khawang si sa ma khak su bo faithful ka ta cha ne i ngoi
I want to tell you,
tau kai tau na man i hu boy
the new door is going to open for your life.
nang yan da ta dan Allah ba e bla ngonang
While you are hearing this, keep praying.
opo ha tau message nang ha tau cha ya ba nang hi pa fe nang yo po ye lak yo
The deliverance coming over you, my dear sister and brother.
tau kai ha tau nang si sau da ha tau lai chai bu pai glak yan na ye bitam bu ha tau pai glak nang si sau da nya nau che nau lan
You are going to be free in Jesus' mighty name.
tau kai nang ha tau pai da ha tau sayang opo ha tau asai ma free na me ngatam
Your depressions are going.
nang depress me mo opo ha tau asai tai lak ngona
Your chains are breaking right now.
nang da sang opo lung sa asai sa aji ka ong man lan na tamang
I believe God is going to take you more further in your life.
tau teng la ka tena ka wanga ha tau nang mo bo sa anang mo bu ya fan ma bu sa chai sa ala ba ya fan da tai tam dak la
God is delivering you right now.
ka wanga nang da sa ya na tam la ka ong si sa me
And I believe God has a mighty purpose for your life.
tau teng la nang ka wanga nang jing na yong i purpose cha na chola ka ta lan mo nang
Lastly, I want to tell you one thing and conclude the message.
tau kam na i hu ba yang ha tau ka ya a chang me sa son ma
When Lazarus died,
awa Nazareth tai lia ba
when Jesus reached,
awa Jesus Christ i ngoya ba
his sister said,
i nya ha tau Jesus de i yang ki
Master, if you might be here, our brother not might die.
oh master ayong ba nang au sungbu ache hado anau song nang ho si phang hado anau ye liha se bo sing
Our brother might not die.
au sungbu hado nang ngo kama nang song ma nang ngo si phang anau ye liha se bo sa hado Nazareth
But Jesus spoke,
yang boy hado se go de jiso ngau yen ki
if you keep faith, you will see the glory of God.
nang ating lak po bay nang hado ki nang ating lak po mo ngo bu me ka manang ka o magti si ba kung yelak
If you keep faith, you will see the glory of God.
nang ateng lak po him na mi him mo bon me ka man nga kawang i magti si ba i ngan nilak si
When Lazarus was sick,
over Nazareth takya ba
our thinking, Jesus will come and he will lay his hand and he will heal.
the man a day nang Adogi over to super young, a yaka junior, you put me a my ear, may a tem glaxe.
But when that happens,
Over Leah by
everything finished.
Conkumbu sobus at the man a day.
Same way, Maria Martha crying, Jesus.
Hadoki mo Mary Mother Hadoki Sapyangi, oh Jesu.
If you might be there, my brother might not die.
Oh, someone hado and now someone nang what she bang about nature and now someone nang walk otherwise you has a booze.
When they took Jesus to the tomb of Lazarus.
Over hado Jesu hado tomb hado mangjong da hado nature laser mangsong the pay.
Jesus says, remove the stone.
Over hado laser hado Jesu hado laser the kapu hado yong hatero siyanki.
People speaking might be there, bad smell will come.
Ado katalana mabu hado laser hado mangko ka epun megama hado mang nambu a miang peglak sa katalan mabu ngawengi.
That is true. Sometimes this kind of voice reaches to our heart.
Hado tengonang hado kibu yong at mandang mo hado tuman juday de niyo tuman ngibu kan mong chang asay da hado painang.
Everything is spoiled.
Tuman na do hado kipe kung kambasaji sorbu se.
Khata.
Sorbu.
But I want to tell you,
Yang betaw na mali.
you must know who is talking to you.
Yang boy nang sengla bongbong nang yenda au hingau bu hado sengla bongbong.
Whose one word brought life into the Lazarus.
Au hin ngau pa chaga ya hado laza yang ye bu teman nginang.
Jesus, come out. Lazarus, come out.
Hado Jesu hado kia ngau pa chang ngau yang laza nang mangkok sabu laudo sa hado laza da ngau yang.
Then Jesus spoke, remove his bindings and let him go.
Tau kai hado Jesu hado laza da nyai bu nyipen ase landa uyang laza tai na tam do shi.
Could you believe that the kind of cloth which is wrapped Lazarus,
Obo hado mangda lanja hado kia nia sang obo hado ase.
that also can't hold him?
Hado no either hado laza da sabu hado nyipen no either hado ki sai hipak lawo yung ok.
One word,
Hado ngau pa chaka ye.
his time.
Ilaw yang ki ilaw so chan ye.
Nothing can hold your life.
Tau kai nangda hang yo tika yok lak.
No demon, no chain, no sin.
Hang ye anu ya hao hang ye anu lungsa hado ase nangda hang yo ye po ok lak ka tong yu anu eh.
Today is the time when Jesus' word is reaching to you.
Tau kai tingi hado hibak Jesu Krista bo ngawung nangda pai nang.
We need to remove the stone of unfaith from our life.
Tau kai nangda hado tangi subu hado laza da kepu yong ki bu nang da kep yang op na meng ma hado ti yam pa yan nang hado dai nang ngang do.
When God says it will happen, it will happen.
Oh but kawang hado ha ko go he ngai klak new hado hai make klak se bo hai mai nang hai ngai nang.
No doubt.
Hango tau chi nang.
May God bless you.
Tau kai mo lan da kawang ma men ba.
Today God may touch you.
Ti ni kawang ti ya kawang ngau si.
I believe God talked to you.
Tau teng la ka te nang kawang nang da ngaw.
Soon we will be available for the live prayers.
Tau kai mamsa niyo hada live prayer live fellowship ya la ngono.
Join our channel.
Teman channel da join na meng kai.
Share to others.
Yang mulan da share na meng kai.
I believe God is going to restore your faith.
Yang tau teng la ka te nang teng la po kawang niyo restore na meng atam glaks.
And you're going to see mighty miracles.
Yang hadaw nang ating lak po kaya kawang da nang ating lak po mong chong bo ano yan lak pa yong bo kaya nang ayan chelay bo nang mamsangik la.
May God bless.